Sakalayan Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Lord Sri Krishna said, "O Arjun, you should not show mercy by releasing this relative of a Brahman, Brahmbandhu, for he has killed innocent boys in their sleep." The word Brahmbandhu is significant. A person who happens to take birth in the family of a Brahman but is not qualified to be called a Brahman is addressed as the relative of a Brahman, and not as a Brahman. The son of a high court judge is not virtually a high court judge, but there is no harm in addressing a high court judge's son as a relative of the honourable justice. Therefore, as by birth only one does not become a high court judge, so also one does not become a Brahman simply by birthright, but by acquiring the necessary qualifications of a Brahman. As the high court judgeship is a post for the qualified man, so also the post of a Brahman is attainable by qualification only. The Shastra enjoins that even if good qualifications are seen in a person born in a family other than that of a Brahman, the qualified man has to be accepted as a Brahman. And similarly, if a person born in the family of a Brahman is void of Brahminical qualification, then he must be treated as a non-Brahman, or, in better terms, a relative of a Brahman. Lord Sri Krishna, the supreme authority of all religious principles, the Vedas, has personally pointed out these differences, and he is about to explain the reason for this in the following shlokas.